AI for Creators, the ultimate 2026 guide. If you're a creator, coach, consultant, course creator, or you're building an online business, this video is going to save you a huge amount of time. AI isn't about another shiny tool that appeared overnight. It's changing the way creators work, helping us create content faster, build courses more efficiently, write better marketing, and ultimately grow our businesses. But here's the thing AI isn't here to replace. That's you. It's here to help you become more productive without losing what makes you unique. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how creators are using AI in 2026, the tools I recommend, some prompts you can start using today, and how I combine AI with Zenler to build courses, funnels, and content much faster. So let's get started. Why AI is changing everything for creators. Let's be honest, most creators don't struggle because they don't have good ideas. They struggle because they simply too much to do. One day you're writing a blog, the next you're editing a video. Then you're trying to write emails, create social posts, and somehow find time to build your next course. Does that sound familiar to you? This is where AI comes in. It removes the repetitive work that slows you down. Instead of starting at a blank page wondering what to write, AI gives you a starting point. Instead of spending hours planning content, it helps organize your thoughts. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you suddenly feel that you have structure. Remember though, AI doesn't replace your knowledge, it amplifies it. Your experience, your personality, and your story are still what makes people buy. To find out more about this and read the full article, follow the link in the description or the bio. So let's talk about what AI can actually do today. People often underestimate just how capable AI has become. Today, AI can help you plan your content calendar, write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, generate Instagram captions, brainstorm TikTok ideas, write email campaigns, build sales pages, and even help you create digital products. It can help you outline an entire course in minutes, write lesson plans, generate quizzes, create worksheets, even help answer customer support questions. Think again if you believe AI is only useful for writing a few paragraphs. It's become an incredible, useful, creative assistant that works alongside you every single day. The secret isn't letting AI do all the work. The secret is knowing how to guide it properly. Again, you can find a link in the description for more information on all of this. The AI tools I recommend. I get asked this all the time. David, what AI tools should I actually be using? The good news is you don't need dozens of them. For writing and research, I regularly use ChatGPT, Claude, and sometimes Gemini, mainly ChatGPT. For images, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Ideogram are fantastic. But you can even do this inside ChatGPT or Gemini. If you're editing videos, Descript, Opus Clip can save you hours. Need realistic voiceovers? 11 Labs does an excellent job. For graphics and social media, Canvas AI tools keep getting better and better. I also use Notion AI to help organize projects and ideas. Then when it comes to actually building courses, landing pages, funnels, and emails, Zenler brings AI directly into the platform, meaning you can go from idea to published content much faster. Simple systems always beat overcomplicated ones. And again, you can read so much more about this by following the full link to the blog in the description or bio. 3 AI prompts that you should save. One of the biggest differences between beginner and experienced AI users is the quality of their prompts. Here's one I use regularly. Ask AI to create a complete course outline based on your topic, your audience, and the transformation you want your students to achieve. Another great prompt is asking AI to write a complete sales page, including headlines, benefits, FAQs, and call to actions. And if you're creating content every week, ask AI to generate 30 YouTube titles, 30 Instagram captions, and 30 short form video hooks from one single topic. One idea suddenly becomes months of content. However, you do need to research that those words are being used by Google search. That's where the real productivity comes from. We've got a full article on this by following the link in the description. So, building a course with AI. Creating a course used to take months. Today, AI can dramatically speed up the process. Start by asking AI to validate your course ideas, then let it help build your curriculum. From there, it can generate lessons, outlines, video scripts, worksheets, quizzes, and summaries. You're still reviewing everything. You're still adding your expertise. But instead of creating everything from scratch, you're refining something that's already 90% complete. Inside Zenler, AI can help generate course content, build lessons pages, and even help write your sales material, making the whole launch process much smoother. Find out more following the link in the description, guys. AI for funnels and email marketing. Building a great product is only half the battle. People need to discover it. This is another area where AI can really shine. It can help you create lead magnets, write landing pages, produce webinar scripts, write nurturing sequences, and create complete launch campaigns. Instead of spending weeks writing copy, you can generate a solid first draft in minutes and then personalize it with your own voice. Inside Zenler, those emails, funnels, and landing pages all connect together, making it easy to automate your marketing without making it feel automated. And that is a huge difference. Again, we've got posts on that by following the link in the description. Creating digital products. Digital products remain one of the easiest ways to create additional income. AI makes the process much faster. Whether you're creating prompts packs, PDF guides, Canva templates, swipe files, checklists, workbooks, or mini courses, AI helps you brainstorm ideas and create your first draft quickly. Then you improve it with your own expertise and experience. Once it's ready, Zenler takes care of everything else. Payments, delivery, automation, upsells, and analytics. It allows you to focus on creating rather than managing lots of disconnected tools. And again, we have a link in the description. AI for content and social media. Consistency has always been one of the biggest challenges for creators. AI makes it much easier. One YouTube video can become a single blog article. That blog becomes multiple LinkedIn posts. Those become Instagram captions, then TikTok hooks, email newsletters, Facebook posts, community discussions. You're not constantly creating from scratch. You're repurposing what you've already created. That's one of the smartest ways to grow without burning yourself out. And we have a big article on that. Just follow the link in the description or the bio. My AI and Zenler workflow. Here's how I like to work. It starts with an idea. AI helps me brainstorm and organize it. Then it creates a course outline. From there, it helps write lesson scripts. It generates ideas for emails and landing pages, checks for SEO. It even helps plan content for YouTube and social media. Once everything is ready, Zenler becomes the hub for courses, funnels, emails, blogs, communities, webinars. Everything is managed from one place. That combination gives me faster workflow while still keeping my own personality throughout the content. And again, we have a big article on that if you follow a link in the description. What AI will never replace. Let's finish with something really important. People often worry that AI is going to replace creators. I don't believe that. AI cannot replace your life experience. It cannot replace your personality. It can't replace your teaching style, your mistakes, your stories. or the relationships you've built with your audience. Those things are uniquely yours. AI simply helps you communicate them more efficiently. Remember, people follow people. AI is just another tool that helps you reach more of them. Use it wisely, keep your own voice, and you'll always stand out. So we've got an article on that if you follow the link in the description to find out a little bit more about that human element. So I hope this has given you a clearer picture of how AI can help you as a creator in 2026. Whether you're building courses, creating content, writing emails, launching digital products, or growing your audience, AI can save you an incredible amount of time when it's used properly. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you read the full guide linked below. And if you're looking for one platform that brings together AI, courses, funnels, email marketing, communities, and live webinars, take a look at Zenler and see how you can help simplify your creator business. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you're using AI in your own business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.